so deep. Her heart whispers, now I lay me down to sleep. Pray the Lord their souls to keep. Her hands like threads sew up the seams of a heart that's full of childhood dreams. A mother's love, it never fades. Through every storm and every shade, her voice a light when skies are gray, a steady guide along the way. Her laughter wraps them like a quilt, a fortress strong that time has built. Through every fall she lifts them high. Her love's the wings on which they fly. Through the years and through the miles, her touch remains their steady smile. Though life may pull them miles apart, her love for them still beating in her heart. A mother's love, it never fades. Through every storm and every shade, her voice a light when skies are gray, a steady guide along the way. In her eyes I see the past, a love so fierce, a love so vast. She's the roots beneath their